ẹ̀yin tèmi alẹ́ rẹ bẹ̀ ǹjẹ́ pékús na pékús ǹjẹ́ pékús na pékús wọ́n ní kò sí yàtọ̀ ńbẹ̀ ojú là ń dó èmi náà mọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ náà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ o èmi náà mọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ náà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ojoojúmọ́ la mọ́ kọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀yin tèmi if this is your first time èmi á jẹ́ àwọn point by two mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́kọláya mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ dídí dán de yes like seriously tí n bá rí trending mo máa ń share lórí fídíò mi alẹ́ rẹ bẹ̀ mo máa ń showcase you know this is one of alẹ́ rẹ bẹ̀ lénìí ẹ gbà mí gbọ́ lecture lórí àwọn professor of holistic ẹ bá mi gbọ́ lecture wọ́n ní ojú là ń dó nǹkan kan náà ni wọ́n ní ojú là ń dó fídíò yìí jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé ojú kọ́ là ń dó o fídíò yìí jẹ́ kí n mọ̀ pé àwọn kan wà ọmọ omi ni wọ́n special lọ́lọ́run dá fún wọn special pé adùn yìí pé tó bá wọnú wọn wàá ké yàyàsẹ̀ wàá ké yàyàtì wàá ké wàá lá wàá ló wàá lé wàá lala kókó làlà pé ẹ̀bùn tọ́lọ́run dá wọn mọ́ wọn ni ẹ̀bùn tọ́lọ́run dá mọ́ wọn ara wọn ẹ̀bùn but thinking about it this could be true wow this could be true ẹ̀yin tèmi mo fi yẹn pamọ́ ẹ wá gbọ́ lecture wọ́n ní yànṣì nóbì yànṣù pé gbogbo à ń lọ́yàn yẹn à ń nídìí yẹn side attraction ni pé bí Ọlọ́run ṣe jogún ihò yẹn fẹ́ àwọn ẹlòmíì kì í ṣe nípa à ń mumi o kì í ṣe nípa à ń mu fúrúùtù o kì í ṣe nípa pófẹ́ o kì í ṣe nípa ó juicy ju you understand tí wọ́n bá agree pẹ̀lú fídíò yìí tó bá wò délẹ̀ ẹ must wò délẹ̀ bá mi sọ pé yes it's like that tó bá feel otherwise ẹ sọ fún mi àbí díẹ̀ nìyẹn táwọn kò délé àlè wọn táwọn máa ka bòròbòrò àbí díẹ̀ nìyẹn yín tèmi pé like iwájú ẹ̀yìn side attraction ni láti wọbẹ̀ you understand tó bá wá débẹ̀ ó lè rí pé àwọn gifted ni ó sì lè jẹ́ pé àwọn gifted kọ́ wàá sì ráwọn ẹlòmíì like very slim iwájú lẹ́yìn bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá débẹ̀ ó lè jẹ́ pé ara àwọn tọ́lọ́ yan special holistic yìí fún ni pé yànṣì nóbì yànṣù pé no matter what a ní ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ lẹ́nu professor of holistic yìí ẹ gbọ́rọ̀ definition ńláńlá èmi gan mo bá fò pé okay o ṣé ká máa jẹ no part of our teaching pé obìnrin o kó máa jẹ pineapple kó máa jẹ apples kó máa jẹ strawberry yes èmi strongly mo agree bẹ́ẹ̀ which help but there's what we call natural gifts nípa nǹkan tá à ń pè ní òbò yìí àwọn míì wọ́n ní natural gift but nípa pé à ń jẹ fruit so àwọn professor of holistic yìí ó jẹ́ ká mọ̀ pé it has nothing to do with fruit but irú èèyàn tọ́lọ́run dá irú ẹ̀bùn yìí fún tó yẹ yín kó tó wá mọ̀ ṣètọ́jú ara ẹ̀ nípa pé à ń lo fruit you understand à fi fún ní a kind of taste tó bá jẹ fruit tó bá jẹ irú àwọn fruit tó ní like a kind of sour fruit yẹn ó máa ń return natural òórùn yes this is a confirmation I'm really talking about it because mo gbádà rẹ̀ mo dẹ̀ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ tó bá ń jẹ àwọn fruit tó dà pé wà sour taste ó máa fẹ́ dá natural taste natural pH level á fẹ́ máa dá padà fún ẹ níwọ̀nba tó ká wá sọ wípé èèyàn tọ́lọ́run fún ní tó ti jogún pé eléyìí natural ìgbádùn wà lára rẹ̀ as obìnrin tó wá ṣerú àwọn iṣẹ́ ìmọ̀ ẹ̀yin ti tèmi ọkùnrin ó fẹ́ ké no wonder àwọn ọkùnrin mi máa ń ké ní máa sunkún wọ́n ti ń sunkún like they can't hold it this one has nothing to do with pé bóyá káyámátá kìnnìkan yes káyámátá wà lóòótọ́ but àwọn tí Ọlọ́run jogún rẹ̀ fún special wà ẹ̀yin tèmi fún alẹ́ ààrẹ bẹ́tálẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kí n fi yín kalẹ̀lẹ̀ fún professor of holistic yìí kó deliver lecture yìí yes fún àwọn apps alálùbáríkà bí irú ètò àǹsọ yìí náà tó lè grip obìnrin tó lè wet obìnrin tó lè jẹ́ kí ọkàn obìnrin mọ̀ wà ń bẹ̀ àbí ìwọ tó jẹ́ ọkùnrin o lè contact me ajia on point by two nothing like natural pé natural gift ó wá ní natural gift yìí ó ní àbákú ni o láti ìgbà tí wọ́n wà kékeré títí di ọjọ́ alẹ́ bí wọ́n ṣe bá kú nìyẹn o even though tán bá dàgbà ó sì máa wà ń bẹ̀bẹ̀ ẹ̀ tèmi ó lè kú ẹ listen.
True say kpekus sweet pass kpekus. Yes now kpekus sweet pass kpekus now. The way bola big pass bola na so kpekus sweet pass kpekus. Kedo the sweetness of kpekus e depend on how the kpekus wide reach. No, not be wide. We get some persons that get small kpekus As a small so now say it is sweet, now say it is tight. We get people, fat people, big bekos. As it stay big now, so the bekos stay sweet. We get people who don't make blah blah blah. They don't make zobo. As they make zobo, so they still get small bekos. As they get small bekos, so it not still sweet. You know understand?
So, you say it depends on the connection, not be the size.
Bekos, we get follow on sweetness promise inside bekos. We get some 0 over 100. You know you're the sweets. Not be say they too knock them. Now so they take create them. Now so God to bring their own life.
Kedo, how you go tell no say bekos dey sweet?
Why you not gonna know? Now when you want to know say man, bekos dey sweet. If the girl come your ass, not to carry follow and play, put Angola like that. Now then you go to know the evidence. You know understand? If you put Angola, it tight for your gola. Then you arrange yourself to knock her like that. After like 5-6 minutes, as a guy, if you sabi waiting there, like she go wet. If she wet small now, you still the fire and they go. Bekos wey dey sweet, give her 2 minutes, she don't dry. You don't the fire and again. That why you know say na bekos wey get force. Bekos wey sweet.
You say bekos wey fresh?
Yes.
Fresh
Bekos get force.
yeah.
Yes, there is a force in bekos. But if you are not a bekos wizard, you cannot understand all those code. Bekos get force. As you dey knock and so, when the one wey get force, so you go dey gum you. You go dey gum you. There is a sandpaper around them.
Yeah.
You go dey gum you. 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 She now go dey cry for help. Make you leave her, but that time not leave her. You want know where bekos sweet reach. You know understand? Yeah. You go the fire and they go. 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 Man, do that bekos where they sweet now. You as the man to come, you go dey beg yourself not to come.
You say that be the secret, Kedo.
Yes, you can never come. This country where we do so. If you jump bekos where they sweet, you can never hear say this man lazy. That's why if you say our guys, if they go Nigeria, if they come back and they say, oh boy, bekos did that junction. Because that side it is sweet. Sweetness promise food that side where. Before you knock 50 people for Nigeria, you go get 5 will be natural sweetness. For Yana, if you knock 10, I'll let 2 days, 8 not day. And me this side where.
Kedo, so women when they drink orange, pineapple, now they bekos dey sweet pass.
No. Who just get natural sweetness, get natural sweetness. Like me, you drink 1 rubber of orange water, no level.
Kedo, you sure say women when don't born? You sure say no be their bekos dey sweet pass the ones wey never born?
Some women they will be safe, they don't even born at that time. Now their bekos get more sugar pass. Women they will don't born, their sweet pass get we never born.
So now single boys they find all those also not born.
Yes. Anything will make that kind of woman live herself for like 1 year. If you climb that kind of woman, you go see say man, it's too sweet. You understand me? Yeah. That is why you see single guy. You go just dey date that woman where don't born. You understand? Yeah. You go dey date that woman where don't born because that woman where don't born now sugar.
She sweet past single ones.
She's sweet past single girl. I don't get experience of those kind of people. Woman where don't born, you just say man, everything where you define for life, she sabi. She get experience, she get good bekos, other less, nothing. She just compose. Why you go leave her?
Kedo, many looking at the girl as they waka. You go know say this one go sweet.
No, you not go feel until you flatten. It just be like when you go inside river, you see fish with eye, you not fit catch and so bekos be. You need to enter the river, fish the fish before you go know say this one big or this one small. That's so bekos be.
You say you need to test them.
You need to test them. You need to flatten. You need to carry and go blah 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 ministry before you go know say this one is sweet.
What the fuck does that waka yaka?
No level like that. Not be by waka, not be by say shoot bed. You must enter the Oboraga ministry for the bed.
What of the back matter, Kedo?
It no matter. Wetin man dey interested in at the bekos, not be the shit boss. You feel get big shit boss, the front no sweet. 0 over 100. You feel not get
follow the back.
Listen now, that back now the center of attraction. But now the bekos now be the cocoa way dey. You understand? You feel get big shit boss, big kaka, but the front 0. And don't make the front because that person will get big one so. Men they find am. It just be like girl wey fine and they meet am well before she marry. Girl wey one and then the sweet pass.
Kedo, woman when they sweet now, if they too chop am, e no go sweet again. The sweetness go.
The way they sweet naturally, so even though na 50 people chop am before she marry, she will still sweet that 50 times. Only say the bekos no come to fight for face again. As they over knock am, it dey reduce the beauty of the bekos. Bekos itself get natural beauty. Bekos when I never meet it, always they find. It be like thank you. What does baby egile? Yeah. When you open egile, use that small love to wash am. You go see the beauty of that egile. That's what bekos be. Normally the wall of bekos, if you open her leg, it's supposed to be like that egile. The beauty of that egile, na so got to create bekos.
Kedo, you get that woman go use alum wash the thing, you go turn to who never knock her before.
If you be bad guy, once you knock on 10 minutes, everywhere go bust.
You go not send her.
You go not send her 0. Your bola call the dance. Your
woman go use alum wash the thing, you go turn to who never knock her before.
If you be bad guy, once you knock on 10 minutes, everywhere go bust.
You go not send her.
You go not send her 0. Your bola call the dance. You can't say I found on me this one. Now that kind of now you go the knock by yourself. Bola don't fall. You not say there is a problem. Before you know, you don't discharge her.
Woman will tell you cannot say you never do it once. And you want marry him. You knock him, you start saying, like, what you go do?
Now, let mumu go do knocking. Say they're not going to knock before sex. As a real guy, this is our generation. Try knock woman well and 1 year before you marry her. Yes. Very important. Try know all the sequence where they appoint before you marry her.
What is it their traditional alarm?
Which tradition? Nobody no allow. Unless you not be guy man. Unless you not be guy man. Even church girl now, wey be choir mistress, fair knack am well before you go marry am.
Why you talk this thing?
Our generation don too tear eye. Women don too do hide. You get why now? Women don too do hide. Don't be deceived. No
Before you
understand?
buy market, no.
I dey test you as you go buy shoe, pull leg.
Yeah,
That's
test
what just be arrest my case.
It's sharp, it's sharp, it's sharp.
èèyàn tó máa dúró mi ṣe léṣe ni mò ń wá èèyàn tó máa scatter òbò mi tó yẹ kó máa yọ ìfún mi tó máa sọ pé ó yá gbà fẹ́gà gbà jmk tó máa dúró mi tó máa ní èrò ìsàlẹ̀ tó yẹ pé but make sure pé ìwúrọ̀ ẹ̀pọ̀n ẹ̀ o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣe kíni o gbọ́dọ̀ ṣùn ìkíndé ìwúrọ̀ ẹ̀pọ̀n tó bá ti ṣùn ìwúrọ̀ ẹ̀pọ̀n tó bá sókè tó bá bàlẹ̀ bọ̀ wàrà a máa dún torí okó ò lè máa wọ lóòrùn mi kí ìwúrọ̀ ẹ̀pọ̀n tó tún máa gbá mi lóògùn I don't want it ó ti yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ẹni tó máa dúró mi tó máa tí máa satisfy tẹ́tẹ́ tí wọ́n máa rìn lọ́jọ́ kejì ní báyìí a máa yàtọ̀ rìn ní mi nílé rìn dáadáa orúkọ tí mo fẹ́ dúró nìyẹn kó ṣe kó tó máa ṣe ṣúkẹ́ṣúkẹ́ lórí mi tó máa ṣe kébi tó máa bọ́lẹ̀ I don't want bú mi kẹsẹ̀ mi kò bẹ́ẹ̀ gbà kó bọ́ ṣe understand kó tí mo fẹ́ nìyẹn tó bá ní okó bẹ́ẹ̀ comment sọ pé hi ní comment section abeg èèyàn tó máa dúró.
Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ kí ọkọ rẹ máa ké máa sunkún mo fẹ́ sunkún mo fẹ́ sunkún ẹkún adùn ni o ẹkún adùn àbí kò kí n rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbà mí ó máa ń rí bẹ́ẹ̀ fún àwọn natural but ó lè enhance ẹ̀ débẹ̀ náà yes ó lè enhance ẹ̀ débẹ̀ náà pẹ̀lú àwọn natural apps tiwa bákan náà ìwọ ọkùnrin ìyàwó rẹ máa sọ pé ó tó yé kíní ìmọ̀ wa ti tóbi jù nísìn kíní ìmọ̀ àti tóbi jù nísìn kíní ìmọ̀ àti fẹ̀ sí i agbára yìí máa ti dé sí i ó ń dùn mí bírọ́bírọ́ ó ń dùn mí ó ń dùn mí ó ń dùn mí ìwọ tó bá fẹ́ kí ìyàwó rẹ máa sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ contact Ajia on pump by 2 lórí ọwọ́ alẹ́ rẹbẹ ẹni tèmi fún abba alálùbáríkà lórí 07015100651 ire o bye for now.